Hello, my name is Arthur Pastorello. I'm from Italy. I'm studying in Padua and I did my Erasmus in Germany, University of Kassel. It was really a great experience for me because I learned a new language, German language. Then I improved my English skills. I met a lot of people. I studied with different people, so Erasmus is great experience for this kind of things to do and to learn new culture, to meet new people and make new friends and travel with them in other countries. Yeah, I recommend it to everybody to take part in the Erasmus experience. So let's enjoy.
Hello, I'm Dagum from Ethiopia. I'm Erasmus student first year here in University of Padua and I'm studying Mediterranean Forestry. I'm also program representative of the Erasmus program. For me, Erasmus is more than education, it's more than a science, and I considered it a nice movie with leading actors and actresses from around the globe. I learned a lot of things here, including language, culture, even dancing style, even traditional foods around the globe, and I really enjoy it. And I want you all to come and enjoy what I and my friends have been enjoying here in Italy. The other important thing and interesting thing from Erasmus is mobility track. Now we are happy to travel to different European countries where we have the opportunity to again experience different cultures and education. So come here and enjoy Erasmus members. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Amna. I'm from Pakistan and right now I'm studying in University of Padua and I'm doing my master's here, and for me coming here is a bit challenging because I belongs to a developing country. So for a girl from a developing country, it is a really very challenging thing to come to Europe and have an opportunity like this. And it is a privilege for me to get this scholarship even when I didn't complete my bachelor's degree. And for me it is a really very nice experience because it let me know about the international culture and how European society do different approaches related to different sectors, and how they approach to different problems related to forestry, especially because in Pakistan we are having a lot of problems in forestry. We have more or less than 2% of forest there. So I just want to go back and I want to play my role as a young foresters, and I guess for the upcoming Erasmus students as well from Pakistan. Thank you.
I am Adedotun Olanrewaju Adeyeko. I am from Nigeria. I'm an Erasmus student of University of Padua, Italy. This program has given me a lot of opportunities to meet people from different parts of the world, and it has also given me the opportunity to learn from their culture and to share ideas. The major problem of this program is the major challenges to me is just to tune my listening skills to different accents, and I will recommend it for aspiring students. It's really a good ground, a learning ground for them, and they will be able to learn a lot, and it's also coupled with a lot of fun. So I will recommend Erasmus for you. Thank you.